So y'all see the big boat behind. Can y'all guess where we're at? We're at Battlin, Bama 2023. This is Carport Custom's first time at Battlin, Bama. We're out here in the trenches, in the rain, getting the footage just for you guys.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
As soon as we get here, we see something that we love. We got OBS Takeover, baby. You know we all about them OBS. It's a sea of OBSs. So, I mean, we're in an area we're not even supposed to be in. There's posted restricted area and all that, but our man Tony got us in, so exclusive. Only at Carport Customs, you know what I'm saying?
We about to turn it on.
Mini trucks. We got them in all sizes, shapes, colors, crafts.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through.
These trucks behind me are the pinnacle of OG mini trucking. They've got drip paint jobs, tilt beds, static drops with chrome leaf springs. Like OG 90s mini truck, this is the definition. You look it up in the dictionary, these are the trucks you're gonna see.
Secret. Justin used to drive one. There was 27 different colors of rattle can paint.
Far from the rest of the room, I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, it's the world honestly burning. That's all I'm learning, hope that we can make a turn and start reversing. All our minds and put the work in, we got some work, man.
So check this out. If you guys watch Motor Trend and watch Full Custom Garage, this is Ian Russell's Space Junkie. I watched this car being built. I watched it rebuild. I watched it being tore down and thought it was gonna go away and never see it again. I watched the episode where Ian and the new owner rebuilt it. This is insane, man. To see this car in person and be able to like almost touch it is just awesome to me.
You're a superhero.
all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found. And you can't start again until you break down. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost. Hold on, hold on. You're not lost, you're not lost.
I can say Battlin' Bama 2023 definitely did not disappoint, man. We're out here on the battleship. There's a sea of rides behind us. We'll definitely be back next year for sure. Anything and everything you want to see here. All the rides, some attraction. I mean, we're standing on an iconic battleship, submarine, planes, food, vendors, everything you need, they have it here at Battlin' Bama for sure. You'll see Carport Customs here again. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I wish y'all could have been here. Definitely hit it up next year. It's definitely a show to check out. I know you shot that too.